Hey, it's time. It's still at Doterra convention. It is time for our Shine Doterra 25 convention kit box opening. So this is what it looks like. It's absolutely beautiful. And it's simple, and this year it is only, I believe it was $108. So it's way less than most years have been. And beautiful because it makes it way more accessible to more people, and you can order more of them if you have a convention ticket, or it will soon be available probably online for other people to get as well. But these extra products will be available on October 1st. And it's so beautifully packaged. When you open it up, it looks like this. Beautifully packaged. It says Doterra Shine Convention 2025. You are holding the newest innovations from Doterra, designed to elevate your wellness and help you shine boldly and with purpose. When you feel your best, you light the way for others. And one thing a lot of people are super excited about, look at this, castor oil. We now have Doterra's castor oil, organic, cold-pressed, vegan-friendly, hexane-free castor oil, which is great for your skin and your nails and your hair and all of the parts of you. And you can do like the pack on your belly or all kinds of different things you can use castor oil for. So it says on the back you can use it to revitalize and moisturize your skin and your hair. Put it over your abdomen if you need to as well, and you can use it as a carrier for essential oils. So it helps the essential oils stay on your body longer, and then it will absorb and you'll get those benefits even more magnified, which I love. Okay, this is a fun little thing. This one right here is our past tense stick. Okay, so past tense years ago came in a roller, and I loved it, and then they changed it and it just had a cap on it. But this is super easy, portable. It's not going to put your liquid rule when you travel. Has this tiny little stick and this tiny, like a deodorant stick type thing. And then they added gum, bean sweet gum to it, which changes the flavor a little bit, and it makes it even more potent than before. So you can put it on your wrist, you put it behind your neck. It will melt any tension. But what's really cool is it's not just physical tension, but now it actually affects your nervous system and can release some of that tension as well, which is super cool. And then they give us cute little stickers to go on the oils that we have. And then in here we have our new Revitazen. It's all about detoxing, because there is stuff in our air and in our food and in everything. And no matter how healthy we are and how much good we do, there's still toxins. There's even toxins that our body creates just by living, like creating carbon dioxide and things like that. So we have the Revitazen Advanced Organ Detox Complex. It's your liver, your kidneys, and your colon. And if all that stuff works better, then your essential oils work better and everything else. And then there's an oil blend as well that you can use. This, mix it with your castor oil, rub it on your body. You can use it with the dry brushing. You can put it in your, I believe they said you could put it in your water. Yeah, it's got a supplement pack. All the Doterra oils with supplement packs are ingestible, which is cool. And then you have your capsules as well. Super love that. And then our special of the year, we have our blend called Shine. So this is a unique blend that they do each year for convention, and you get it when you buy a convention kit. So another perk and bonus of coming to convention versus just buying it later is that you get this Shine blend. And I just mixed it. Ooh, that's pretty. With the other one. Okay, what's in this one? Let's see if I can read it. It says, shine boldly as you embrace the light within and inspire others. You have the power to spread joy and hope, lighting the way for others. Shine Essential Oil Blend ignites small actions and spark incredible growth and lasting change. A single light can illuminate dark spaces. Beautiful. So, Shine is our blend of the year. There you go. So if you had a convention ticket online or in person, go get your tickets, get your kits. They're available on your account. And if you don't, and you want to come next year, or you want to see and try all these cool things, then you should reach out to me in the comments below, and we will talk. Thank you for being here, and I'll see you next time.